So let's say you've managed to find the iPhone of your dreams. You've been scouring the normal websites for weeks, searching for the perfect model, and now you found it. It's exactly the model you wanted. You're over the moon. Then it arrives and reality hits. Your brand new iPhone has an iCloud activation lock on it and it's useless. Or is it? What if I were to tell you there was a tool you could use to get into that new iPhone of yours without having to trust some random shop on the high street? And better still, you're in control of the entire process from start to finish. And it all happens from the comfort of your own living room. The other problem I've come across time and time again is when someone wants to pass on an old iPhone to one of their kids. But it's been so long since they've used it, they can't even remember the passcode to get back into the device. If this has ever happened to you, then you need to go and download the Dr. Phone app from Wondershare. This amazingly powerful app can not only get you past the lock screen, but it can also remove the existing Apple ID, allowing full access to the device and the ability to use a new iCloud account. You'll end up with a phone completely flattened and ready to set up from you. Once you've downloaded the app, installed it, created an account and plugged your iPhone into your Mac, go to the toolbox and click on the first option, the screen unlock option. As I'm unlocking an old iPhone 7, I'm going to click on the iOS tab, which leads me to this next screen. The first thing I'll need to do is unlock it by using the Unlock iOS Screen tool. This will work for iPhones, iPads, and even an iPod Touch, and will remove both 4- and 6-digit passcodes. As part of this process, Dr. Phone will automatically update your iPhone too. As you can see, the app guides you step by step on what to do. I chose the iPhone 7 option, and with my phone powered down, I held both the volume down button and the power switch and connected it to my Mac. Then I let Dr. Phone do its thing. The next step took about 3 or 4 minutes. It downloads some updates, then verifies them. It'll warn you that you're about to erase all content, and then it'll ask you to copy the suggested password. Click on Unlock, wait about 10 minutes, and you're done. Just make sure not to use your phone and don't disconnect it while you're waiting, as you could run the risk of bricking it. Clearly something you don't want to do, so just be patient. Once Dr. Phone had told me it was done, I left my phone connected and powered it back on and let all the updates run. It's honestly like magic. There was no fuss at all. The phone went through all the normal setup screens and eventually got to the iPhone lock to owner screen, meaning it was still registered to someone else's iCloud account. Of course, this wasn't a concern to me as I was using the Dr. Phone app. Back in the app, click on the iCloud Activation Lock tool, which now also supports iOS 26 and iPhone 17 too. Again, don't disconnect your iPhone at all through this entire process. Dr. Phone will display the phone's info and whether or not it's jailbroken. Click on Unlock, tick Agree, and just wait. Choose your model of phone, and when prompted, hold down the volume button, like we did before, and the power switch for roughly 5 seconds. It gives you a countdown on screen, actually, and then let go of the power button, but keep the volume button pressed in for roughly 10 seconds more. At that point, Finder on my Mac told me that I could either update the OS or do a full restore. I obviously clicked on full restore, and that was it. My old iPhone 7 is now completely flattened and back to factory settings. This app also supports iOS 12 to 16.7 on Mac and iOS 12 to 15.7 on Windows for direct removal. But don't worry, if you've got a newer model iPhone, say from the XR to the 17 Pro Max, and recent iPads from 2019 to 25, there's an online removal service you can use. This app is the kind of app I wish I'd found years ago. It's so simple to use, and it means all those old iPhones that you've probably got lying around at home can now be brought back to life, which is also environmentally sound as well. Although I've only shown you the iCloud activation unlock and lock screen reset, Dr. Phone can also be used for data recovery and system repairs too. In fact, pretty much whatever issues you might have with your current phone or one of your old iPhones, this app will get things sorted for you. This is one of those apps that lives up to its reputation. It does exactly what it says it'll do. There's no hype. And believe me, I'm a born skeptic, and this thing actually works. So if this video has tempted you and you want to bring back to life all those old iPhones that I just know you've got lying around, then check the link that I've left you in the description. Whether you need to transfer and repair, bypass activation lock devices, or recover lost data, then Dr. Phone from Wondershare is for you. There's all manner of different price plans for you to choose from. At every price point, whether you're an individual or part of a business team, Wondershare has you covered. And one last point I wanted to make is that even though I've only shown you Dr. Phone running on macOS with iPhones, don't forget it works just as well with Windows PCs and Android devices as well. It's a slightly different procedure, but essentially does the same job. Try out Dr. Phone from Wondershare for yourself right now and let me know how you get on with this great app.